Hey everyone, CD353 and I also have
Joshua Butcher.
and today we are going to talk about something that we don't really like. Um I'm sure you guys heard of Microsoft. Um Frankly, I think what Microsoft is doing is an absolute joke. I mean,
Seriously.
flagging people for freaking just giving their like giving their opinions about Windows. Like for example, Chris Perillo showed a video on how to upgrade one operating system to another. He got flagged. Now, Josh, how ridiculous is that?
Very, very, very.
I mean, it makes you afraid to upload anything to YouTube that's got Windows content in it.
Anything with Windows content.
So I mean, and I don't know, I just don't really get why Microsoft is doing this. Do you?
No, one thing don't understand is this is that Microsoft, what do you have? What are you trying to hide? What is there to hide? What are you afraid of? Why are you doing this? What is your purpose? Are you just asking someone because you don't got the money yourselves? You couldn't just ask other people, say, hey, can you mind don't show our window contents, not until we get everything straightened
Yeah,
out?
yeah, like you guys, Microsoft could have informed everyone, hey, look, like what Chris said. I totally agree with what Chris Perillo says. Josh does too. Microsoft could be like, "Hey, look, we don't appreciate you putting our content on your channel. Could you do something?" And me and Josh would be glad to get rid of them or alter them or something. But but I mean, they asked us, wouldn't you just take off and or alter it or
I'll
something?"
alter it, just change it, but this is what I don't understand. If any other distros out there are somewhat saying the same thing what everybody else is going to say about Microsoft, then tell me this: what is there for us to show on YouTube for people to enjoy?
I mean,
That's what YouTube is all about: enjoyment. People
mhm.
want to understand what is going on. And Microsoft, if you're hiding something, please share it. You're more glad to hear it.
I
If
mean,
not, then don't talk.
I mean, the thing is, okay, is that I started my YouTube channel back in 2012, 2013. I can't remember when. I think 2012.
Okay.
He started his more like at the end of 2013, beginning of 2014. And I mean, I understand that if Microsoft wants to not have us share their content
That's
on
fine.
that's
Whatever.
fine. Just it'd be better if they would tell you, but like, hey, look, we don't appreciate this. Is there some way you can get rid of this? We'd be glad to. I
Just
would have
don't
no
stick out.
problem with that.
Just don't stick out.
But the only thing is, you don't have to go around like teamed up with another company to go around to everybody's YouTube channel and start flagging people for having Windows content.
And that's why you're gonna lose your business, Microsoft. You'll lose it if you don't let
And
people view your products.
and I did make a video stating I was on Windows, I mean on Manjaro the other day. But the only problem with Manjaro is that I could not get my webcam to work. I tried it in Ubuntu, still couldn't get my webcam to work. Fedora, still couldn't get my webcam to work. Um, Hell, I even don't know how he did it, but I built Gen 2 and even tried it, still couldn't get it to work. Um, so yeah, now I'm back on Windows 8.1 only for one specific reason only. My webcam. That's it. Period. The end. Cause I got my Beats Audio to work, but I could not get my fingerprint scanner to work. But I could live without that. That's no biggie. But I mean, it'd be different if Microsoft would be like, hey, look, we don't appreciate what you're putting on.
They can at least own up their own mistakes.
Right.
Own up. Grow up.
And
It's time to make a change. People want to view your products. It'll be good or bad. Either way it's going to go. People are still going to view it regardless what you guys are going to think or do. We're going to view it regardless even if you flag us. Doesn't matter what we do to Windows. Windows is going to be the main source of everything.
I mean, and the thing is, Josh can agree with me on this one. I agree with Matthew more. The video that Microsoft flagged him about for reviewing Windows 8.1 RTM, given a bad review and that he got flagged, that is the most ridiculous crap I've ever heard in my life. Flagging someone over giving a bad review, seriously?
Yeah, really. Come on. Grow up.
I mean, it's not.
Doesn't matter how you put things. It matters what you hear from the customers.
I mean,
people want to hear and understand what you Microsoft are doing to us, because we are the products of you guys for the future.
I mean, it's not like he said, okay, here's a free product he can put in the description. He didn't. He just gave an honest review. I mean, that's what I would have done. That's what Josh would do. We would give our honest reviews about an operating system. I mean, that's how a review is. A review is based on, does it do what you want? Does it cooperate the way you want? All these factors.
All assessments that are involved in this operating system, we like to know the updates that we are going to be getting involved into. We can't just sit back and say, what is this next generation going to do? What is this future going to do? What is there for an operating system like us? Like for you guys, 7. You guys faulted on 7 saying can't view 7 on because of view of 8. Now, who in the right mind would put that crap and saying Microsoft, we consumers can't show about anything about what we do to upgrades or any investigations of Windows?
And like, for example, another perfectly good video that got flagged. Chris Pirillo's video on showing people how to upgrade from one operating system to another. Come on, that's educational.
And that's educational for everyone. Microsoft, hello?
I mean,
didn't you have any brains?
I mean, people can, that's how people learn, okay? You can ask Josh. Josh and me, I'm sure Josh will say the same thing.
We're computer geeks.
Me and Josh are computer geeks. We also are addicted to YouTube.
And Microsoft, don't get me wrong. You guys are the best things for what Windows needed for. But what you're pulling, it's not smart. It's not ideal.
I mean,
it's not right.
I mean, it's not even that. It's the simple fact of the matter is that what you guys are doing, how you guys are, like, pulling people's videos off, flagging their channels and all that. Flagging their videos for freaking showing the educational video. And you flag Chris Pirillo for showing the educational video.
And anybody who reviews.
And flagging Matthew Moore for giving his opinion about Windows 8.1 RTM. And also
Windows 10.
Well, yeah. And also flagging Matthew Moore and using your guys' own upgrade assistant to show you how you can use your Windows 8 product key in Windows 8.1.
If you get that problem, then why put it up on the page, then dummy?
And for example, it came from answers.microsoft.com. Like, hello, Microsoft is in the name.
Hello?
You flagging your own self there, hello.
Duh.
But, the simple fact of the matter is, Microsoft, you should have just been like, hey, look, I don't like what you guys are
Or
doing.
just left alone completely.
Yeah, we would have either altered it or deleted the video. You didn't have to flag our videos.
Or just leave it alone. Don't worry about what people think. It's good for you. It makes your reputation even better. Because more people will complain, better chances you improve.
I mean, and for example, okay, let's say these new computers that's got the UEFI motherboard, like this one, okay, you make a 64-bit. Josh can even agree with this because he's seen it when I reloaded Windows 8 back on here after I deleted the recovery partition because Josh can agree, recovery partition. Ugh. But anyway, you can ask Josh. I made a 64-bit UEFI enabled unbootable USB. Boom! Found the product key. Was I hacking in any way?
No.
And found an OEM product key on the motherboard.
And there is stuff out there to get OEM keys for your hardware through Microsoft. Microsoft, you have that program.
Like, for example, okay, before I got this computer, I had an Asus Spider 5250, 2 gigs of RAM, an AMD Radeon HD 6310 graphics card. Okay, and I reinstalled Windows 7 on there. Okay, and I wanted OEM. So I went online, okay, got programmed, and they actually found the OEM built onto my motherboard, okay,
of your software,
and installed it. So was I hacking Windows in any way?
No,
I was using an OEM copy.
That's what's within the computer.
And this HP that I'm using, I installed Windows 8 again. Am I using a hard copy? No, I'm using an OEM. So the thing is, okay, I realized this is a 13-minute video, but me and Josh, we got some things to get off our chest. So if this goes over 15 minutes, I'm sorry, but yeah. Just hope you don't exit the video right now, but we're just getting things off our chest. But if Microsoft had a problem with people viewing things bad, they should have been like, hey, look, we don't appreciate this. Is there a way you can do anything with your video? We would have been glad to either get rid of it or alter it. I'm sure Josh would have been the same way.
No.
Oh, partly. But that's not the point. The point is, Microsoft, you should not do this. I mean, we use YouTube as an enjoyment. It's not a necessary thing.
And it's not quite hurting you guys. But to be honest, I got really good things to say.
Go ahead.
You guys in Microsoft that we love and heart, from you guys, from the best of the best. You done DOS.
Which is good.
You done DOS. So all the series of DOS, and you did all the series from 95 family generation to the XP. So it's called the X series. So what you guys doing is, to us, is that we enjoy to share your products, maybe good or bad, whether or not the product is worth people's times.
I mean,
you cannot say we've not given you the benefit of your guys' choice, because we ask the best of you guys to help us.
I mean, Josh he's used DOS, so he's been with Windows longer than I have. But I've used Windows 95, okay? Josh can probably agree with me. Microsoft, we're a fan of you, dude. We
cherish you guys.
We do, but if you're going to do this, if you're going to flag people over stupid crap, okay, for like Matthew Moore giving a bad review that's hurting your image. Okay, yeah, I understand. Okay, I totally
Well,
do.
technically, we're giving you
But
the best image that you possibly get to learn.
we're giving you our honest review. Okay, you know, it's the simple fact of if you want, it's just a review. I mean, it's not hurting no one in any way, shape, or form. It's just our honest opinion about an operating system.
Make you learn and improve your
How,
stuff.
yeah, how we feel. Like I'm the type that I go based on, you know, if the operating system is good, I use it. You know, I was giving my honest opinion about the Windows 10 technical preview. But when Matthew Moore got flagged, I didn't want to get really flagged that much, so I took off all my Windows videos. It's because of that simple reason. I did not want to get flagged. I mean, because this video is going in 60 minutes, okay? If I got flagged, I couldn't do that. It would have to be less than that, you know? And I didn't want that. I mean, Microsoft, I've been with you ever since 95. Josh has been with you ever since DOS.
I was born in 89 in March. Okay? I've been around with you guys when you guys were doing the transparency of Windows. We go, when DOS pulls up, you type the password and type in win to log into the main system. And that was the time when you guys were working at the hardest. You guys were the heart of Windows.
I mean, so I really have no problem with Microsoft, but Microsoft, on top of my stepdad's ashes, that you can ask Josh, he loved Windows with the bottom of his heart, but he's probably rolling in the grave right now because of what you guys are doing. I mean, Josh can probably admit that. He's probably rolling in the grave on what's happening.
I would too, because Windows is like the best experience anybody should have. And everybody should have their freedom within Windows to talk about.
I mean, we just give our honest opinions. I mean, and if you guys are going to continue flagging people, that's just not right in any way, shape, or form. I mean, we appreciate Windows. We use Windows because
it has all up-to-date drivers and everything is always up to date. But you guys should have kept the XP on. Just be honest and truthful. XP should have kept on going.
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, but you got
newer software is good. It's the best. But people who like the old originals, it was like seemed like the best thing that you guys made of XP.
But you gotta admit, Josh, I mean, Windows XP has lasted longer than any other operating system. I mean, 12 years.
It lasted longer than 95. It
lasted 98.
98.
98 second.
No, yeah, 98 second. The second edition. And then Windows Me, and then Windows Me Home, and then Windows Me Edition. And all that. Anything within the XP family generation.
Windows 2000, Windows NT.
No.
Windows NT 4.0.
The ones with the X family, 95, 98, and the XP, all three of those were generated by the X family.
I mean,
and I've read all of your tree families of all the Windows that was made until up till now.
But you gotta give Microsoft credit on one thing.
They did better when they pulled out Windows 7.
Yeah, when they made 8, it was kind of, iffy, but people started adjusting to the modern UI. And I gotta admit, you guys are listening to people. They want to start menu back. You guys bought that. You guys integrated the Metro UI with the start menu.
And that's perfect.
I mean, that's perfect. It's the best of both worlds.
Yeah, you should have done that in 8, but, I mean, Windows 8, between 8 and 8.1, and you got Windows 10, which is laid off the 9, but no, I'm not faulting on you guys about that anyways, because technically, if you take out the dummy of Windows 95, which I can agree on what you guys are doing from skipping from 8 to 10. That makes sense because you guys got 9. 195 is tribute as a 9 dummy, so you guys did what you had to do.
But I mean, it's not only that, it's the fact of, period, the end. This video was going on almost 21 minutes, and we just wanted to give our honest opinion, dude. If Microsoft, if you had a problem with the way people's reviewing things, you should have just contacted them and been like, hey, look, we don't appreciate this. Is there a way you can alter the video or something? I'll be glad. There would probably be multiple people that can do that, but you didn't. All you did is teamed up with this company and automatically started flagging people. You can, Josh can relate to me on this if you want, but just flagging people over giving an honest review about something, that is the ultimate sign of disrespect.
You guys made the disrespect to yourselves when you did that.
And
especially when you did it to your own company.
Yeah.
I'm not just pointing fingers. I'm pointing fingers to all of you. Not just one who works with you, but the rest of the people that work with you.
So Microsoft, I'm sticking with 8.1 only because my webcam and, a lot of other little things. But, if you're going to keep doing this, then I don't know what I'll do. I might just go Linux full time. I don't know. But I just hope this gets cleared up. To be honest with you, I hope this gets cleared up. So, this video, I think we're gonna end it right here. We gave our honest opinion about it.
And if you don't like it, well, then you guys need to fix it.
Yeah, if you guys have a problem, yeah. But, like I said, I'm gonna end this video right here. This is CVD353
and Joshua Butcher.
And we will talk to you guys, either our next
video,
Windows/Linux talk, or I'll see you in my next video, or Josh will see you in the next video.
So leave a comment below, thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. Just send us a comment, like I said. Whatever, like, dislike, don't matter.
And just like, comment, and subscribe, right? We'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.